Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the keyboard shortcut for undo and redo. So what is the undo and what is the redo? So the undo function is used to reverse a mistake. Like let's say you removed a few tables from an Excel. So for reversing that mistake you need to use the undo. And the redo is just used to restore the action that was undone using an undo. Now let's have a look at the implementation. So the Control Z is used to undo the last action, and the Control Y will redo it, will repeat the last action. So if you want to remove, let's say you removed some table, so for getting the table back you need to use this undo, and to remove the table again you need to use the Control Y, that is the redo. Now let's get started. So over here I have a simple Excel sheet, the Google sheet. So if I just select these three tables, and if I use the backspace to cut them, now if I want to get the tables back, to undo this I need to use the Control Z, and if I want to cut it again, like redo it, I need to use the Control Y. If you take notice over here, this is the undo button, and beside the undo there is also written the Control Z. So there is written the Control Z, that means this is the shortcut for undo, and beside is the redo, and that shows the Control Y. If you click on this button you can do it as well. You can just use the button as well. Also you can use the keyboard shortcuts. So this is how you use the undo and the redo command. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to undo and how to redo using the keyboard shortcuts. Thank you for watching.